Hello everyone, my name is Vishal and here we have one major updates in our website. So there is our NoteNest website. In this, we create the payment gateways. Like if you want to create projects, there you can click on our shop or project services. Then you have to see our student plans and business plans. You have to read it. Now let's assume you want to create an easy project. So there's see all. There are all the details of this. Like we want simple to-do list. So this when you click on it, it's open a form. Let's fill this form and here give an date. If you want an additional requirement, you can type here, or if not, you can blank it. When you pay, it open our Razorpay. So in this I use test mode because I want to explain you, and in production level I give it in real Razorpay IDs. Okay, now let's assume it succeeds. So here your order is confirming. Okay, so this is the booking card. You can book your services. Okay, there the payment is paid. What is the meaning of pending? So it is our admin side. I am the admin and I click on my open hands in progress or completed. When it is on completed, you have to see a download button here, and I will notify you with our email or our app notifications. So this is the main thing which I create. This is a payment gateway for creating the projects on the basis of users. So you can book easily any service from this. This is totally responsive website. You can see here. Let me refresh once time. So here we create a sidebar menu. You can easily select a thing and you can go here. Okay, so this is the project and thank you for watching. On the other hand, if you want to give me some suggestions, you can tell me on my LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn ID. You can easily message me. I will improve it and I will work on this. So thank you.